Hi, my name's Wade from Igginville, Ontario. I'm reviewing the Mastercraft Multi-Purpose Tool Set I put to the test around my home and outdoor projects. The kit comes in a nice steel toolbox with a locking latch. There's plenty of room inside for all the tools and maybe some add-ons. The kit includes slip joint pliers, a screwdriver with multiple bits for all applications, an adjustable wrench, a hammer for light duty jobs, side cut pliers, a utility knife, locking pliers, a magnetic level, needle nose pliers, and a measuring tape. The kit would be good for people around their homes or people starting out that don't have any tools. It has everything you'd need for most jobs. Everything performed well for me. The only complaint I had was the tape would bind up and lock the odd time and you had to wiggle and jiggle it. Did that several times. Other than that, I have no complaints about the tools. I give it a 5-star review. I would recommend the Mastercraft Multi-Purpose Tool Set to friends and family. It's a wonderful product.